As more information comes in, here's another story that is coming in at this moment, that the body of one more terrorist has been recovered. That's the news that is coming in from Pooch, where gunfight is underway. Fresh firing has been reported since morning in Jammu and Kashmir. Gun battle is on between the security forces and terrorists who are believed to be hiding in the area. So now the total count of terrorists from Pooch goes up to 4, and totally from yesterday, from also Kulgam area and Naugat area, you have 8 terrorists who have now been killed by the security forces. We also have my colleague Ashwani sending us this report just a short while back, and reaction of Deputy Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir.
I'm just side the Poonch area. You can see that how the militants have entered into a mini sector. Yesterday they have neutralized 2 terrorists. You can see the army commando, they have taken the position, and the firing is still going on from the militant side. And yesterday they have neutralized 2 militants. When the security force, the army and the commandos of the J&K police, they have entered the mini sector, there was a continuously fire from the terrorist side, and they are continuously firing, and there is a heavy firing from the terrorist side, and they are just giving the exactly reply to the terrorist, and how many terrorists are inside the building you can see after their neutralization. Ashwani Kumar for India Today in Poonch.
Kill in Poonch encounter. Total of 4 terrorists have been gunned down since yesterday in the valley as the brave security forces continue their firefighting operations. Gunfight currently underway in Poonch. Yesterday we'd seen twin attack by the terrorists. They also had an attempt to take a civilian as one of their in one of their operations, but now army has completely foiled their plan. Also, elite forces of the armed forces have been rushed to the spot in Poonch sector. 4 terrorists killed till now. That's the latest information that we have from the operations that continues to be underway in Poonch sector.